السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله علي خبير. عن ابن عمر رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بني الإسلام على خمس شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان. Dear audience, Honorable President, respected Judge, Honorable Director, Honorable Chairman and other guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I thank all of you for attending today's competitive English speaking program. As you know, my subject is importance of Hajj, but unfortunately, it is almost impossible for me to narrate it within the limited time frame. But I will try to discuss my subject, inshallah. Dear brothers, we are Muslims and our religion is Islam. We are the ummah of our last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ummah means as a nation we shall follow and obey him, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about this, يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes, that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted. Al-Hujrat 49 verses 13. Dear brothers, the Hajj is a pillar of Islam, required of all Muslims once in a lifetime. It is physically demanding journey that Muslim belief offers a chance to wipe clean past sins and start anew before Allah. Pilgrims seek to deepen their faith on the Hajj, with some women adopting the head covering known as the hijab. During Hajj, every Muslim pilgrim is considered as a guest of Allah. And Ibn Umar radiallahu anhu قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بني الإسلام على خمس شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمد رسول الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان. Narrated Ibn Umar, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. 1. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's messenger. 2. To offer the prayers dutifully and perfectly. 3. To pay zakat. 5. To perform Hajj. 5. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Sahih al-Bukhari. Dear brothers, when Muslims intend to perform Hajj, they are often reminded that the opportunity of pilgrimage is actually of invitation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to his house, the Holy Kaaba. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about this, فيه آيات بينات مقام إبراهيم ومن دخله كان آمنا ولله على الناس حج البيت من استطاع إليه سبيلا ومن كفر فإن الله غني عن العالمين. In it are clear signs such as the standing of place of Abraham. The whoever enters it shall be safe, and to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house. And for whoever So, dear brothers, from the hadith, an Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu قال سئل النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أي الأعمال أفضل؟ قال إيمان بالله ورسوله. قيل ثم ماذا؟ قال جهاد في سبيل الله. قيل ثم ماذا؟ قال حج مبرور. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, which is the best deed? He said, to believe in Allah and His Messenger. He was then asked, which is the next in goodness? He said, to participate in jihad in Allah's cause. He was then asked, which is the next? He said, to perform Hajj Mabrur. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith number 1519. To sum up, come to learn the Muslim Ummah. The importance of Hajj is very significant in Islam. To obey, so we should obey the holy order of Allah called Hajj. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alhamdulillah.